So hello and welcome back to a new video. I hope you are enjoying our free materials so far. And by the way, the offer is still available, it doesn't go away. If you have any questions, any doubts, or anything that you want to chat about with me, then just make sure to hit the reply button on this email or send me an email directly at rolf@Tradeciety.com. I will be there every day. I do my best to answer emails as quickly as possible. And you will see Tradeciety is really different. We really care. So make sure to use this offer if you have anything that you want to talk to me about, and I will get back to you, promise. So today I have a very, very interesting topic and a few good tips for you about how you can improve the quality of your trading, make sure that you miss less trades, that you are less stressed out during the trading week or during your trading day, and that you're overall more focused, have a more professional approach, and also use or need less time for your trading overall. So the problems traders have, as I said, they're pretty much the opposite of all the benefits that we will cover. It's missing trades, chasing trades when you are too late after you have missed them. You still want to get into the market, you don't want to give up. You're trading the wrong markets, which means that you're trading the setups which are usually not really good. So if you are a trend following trader, you get involved into ranging markets, you get into low momentum markets. If you are a breakout trader, you focus on high volatility, low momentum phases, which is also not good. So you don't have a good process of finding the best markets, and that is also a very, very big problem. Choosing the wrong time frames, you miss the trades on different time frames because maybe you don't have a structure and you're all over the place. And repeating the same mistakes over and over again is very, very common if traders don't have a good approach and they are lacking the structure. So the complete trader is where the system and the routine meets. A system alone is not really helpful if you don't have a routine to help you find the good trades, to keep you on track, keep you up to date, keep you on track. You have no way of really following the markets. You don't know when you should be doing what. And so you're all over the place, very confused. And only if you can combine a good system and a good routine, then that's where the magic can happen, so to speak. Everybody wants consistency. Whenever I ask a trader, what do you want? I want consistent, profitable results. That is obviously the goal of every trader. But how the traders get there is very wrong. And many traders, they said, okay, I will try this method, and then once I have consistent results, then my actions will be consistent. But that's not really how it works. First of all, your actions have to be consistent. You have to follow the same rules. Then your actions will be, then your results will be consistent as well. On the other hand, of course, if you are starting out, you don't have the experience and you don't have the skills yet, so your results won't be great. At least they will be consistent, but they won't be great. So as long as you have consistent results, you can analyze them, because if you, on the other hand, you're all over the place, you always change your indicators, your time frames, your markets, your signals, your rules, or you break your rules, then the results you get, you cannot really analyze them. You cannot find out what works well, what doesn't work well, what I'm good at, what I'm bad at. And that makes improving very hard, if not impossible. But on the other hand, even if your results are not good, but at least they are consistent, so you can find common themes. You can see, okay, I'm always making this wrong, or I'm lacking problems here. And that's a much better approach. So over time, you can make small steps and eventually become a better trader. So I always say that you need watch lists and a trading plan. It's very important. It's maybe one of the most overlooked tools a trader needs. It does not take up a lot of time. It is a little bit of work, but on the other hand, it is the best way to guarantee that you are having a professional approach and that your trading quality will see a huge jump if you start using watch lists. So what is a watch list? It is, some people call it a trading plan. You go through all the different Forex pairs or stocks or futures, whatever you trade. You create an exact trading plan. You know where you want to get in, where you want to get out, what is a signal to signal a trade entry, what is a signal that will mean that you are staying out of the market. And this has to be done for every pair. And usually it is done during the weekend when the market is closed. You have more of a neutral perspective on the markets, you have more time, and you go through one Forex pair after the other, and you create plans and come up with trading ideas. What this means is that you You miss less trades, especially if you combine it with price alerts, for example, but also it means that you need less screen time, especially during the week when you have a regular day job. This is very, very helpful because you don't always need to be glued to the screen. You know exactly what you're looking for, and then you just wait it. No surprises anymore, no guesswork, no chasing, and also you can eliminate the emotional responses because traders who don't have a watch list, ask yourself if maybe that's the case for you. You don't have a watch list, you don't have a trading plan, then you miss a trade, you get upset a little bit, then on the next trade you are more aggressive, which leads to a lot of problems, and that's not a good way to act from. So let me show you what I do here for our students as well. So whether you are one of our Forex or you decide to join our Forex or stocks course, you get a complete watch list either from me for the Forex and futures part or from Moritz for the stocks part, and it looks like this. Every week I post a new video. Here you can see it from last week. It is 27 minutes. I cover around 15 to 20 depending on the week, obviously. Forex markets, I go through all the different time frames that we trade, which is mainly the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. I show you exact trading plans. I explain what is going on in the market currently, what I'm expecting, what I'm looking at, what will signal a trade entry for me. Those are not trade signals because we encourage our students to make the decisions themselves, but we give them very, very precise guidelines about the current market conditions. And every week you get an update with different charts, the best setups for every week. And then during the week you can see we have a very, very active discussion in our forum. We follow the different markets, we follow the different pairs. We follow the setups which I outlined. I provide feedback if our students have questions. And then this becomes a very, very structured and very professional way of following the markets. You are less likely to miss the trades, but with my watch list as well, you get a little bit more structure into your day. Maybe you don't have as much time to do it yourself. That's why I'm here. You can just use my watch list as well. Use them for your daily trading or for your weekly trading. Reach out to me in the forum if you have any questions. And that is then how you progress over time. You get more confidence in your trading if you know what you're looking for, what has to happen, and you are less all over the place and more structured overall. So we have helped a few hundred traders now, and here's a very nice review which we got today. You can see it is from today. And this is a part in our forum. This is the private forum where you also get access to as a member, where our traders can use or create their own trading journals where they update every week what they traded. They will post their charts with questions. I will then go in and provide direct feedback, answer the questions, point out maybe things that they overlooked and things that really stand out well, what they focus on. So this is a very nice way of mentoring our traders and giving them some confidence, help them grow week over week. And here, our trader here this week, he joined us a few months back, and I remember in the beginning he was very inconsistent. He lost a lot of money and his results were not good. And now he said he just closed his week. It is NFP week today, so he's not trading today. And he said he just had his 5th winning week in a row, which is quite astonishing. I remember still where he's coming from. So he's making baby steps every week with us. I always pointed out what he's doing well, where he's maybe overlooking something. And so over week and week, we finally built his expertise, his confidence, and now his trading is on a very, very good path. He's active in the forum. I still help him. It is still not over. With our mentorship and our course, you get a unlimited access, so there are no ongoing fees. I help you grow as long as you want, as long as you ask for feedback. I will be there. And together with the courses, which you also get, and also with the watch list, this is a complete trader education, and it is designed to help you or any trader really that is interested. So again, my offer stands. Make sure to send me an email if there's anything that comes up. If you have any questions or you just want to chat, make sure to reach out, and I am looking forward to hearing from you. Take care and happy trading.